students, see the next question from 11th standard, motion in a straight line chapter, NCERT exercise problem number 3.5. This question is related with relative velocity related problems. Okay, such interesting question. Please observe that. Okay, listen. See that it is everything happen in the practical life only. Okay, if you observe this question, even if you observe the diagram, you understand what is the nature of the question. Okay, so please listen. See the question. A jet airplane is traveling at a speed of 500 km per hour. Jet. Okay, so you know whenever we compare, he's moving jet speed. She's moving jet speed like that. Okay. So that much speed, that is a 500 km per hour. So per hour 500 km. Okay. Okay. Then after that, it product of the combustions at the speed of 1500 km per hour relative to the jet plane. Okay. So jet speed is given. That is the speed of jet or the velocity of jet is 500 km per hour. You know very well, according to Newton's third law. Okay, so the jet is moving forward direction, then its product, that means it will be emit the gases. Okay, so that will be emit the gases in opposite direction. Okay, so that velocity is given, the velocity of the gas is given, that is 1500 km per hour. Okay, so anyhow, if you observe that this direction is velocity of the jet, then opposite direction only the velocity of the gas. So just I mention as negative sign. Okay, that means here negative, that is minus 1500 km per hour, that is the meaning. Okay, but naturally that only happen, you know. Okay, because the jet is forward direction, that wastage is outward direction. I mean, the gases is ejecting gases is opposite direction. So we get negative sign. Okay, right. Now what they are asking, relative to the jet plane. So that is 1500 also. It is not exactly the velocity of the gas. Relative to the jet plane, the velocity of the gas is 1500. So for that only I mentioned here VGI, that means velocity of the gas with respect to jet is 1500 km per hour. Okay, that means what is the exactly velocity of the gas? We don't know, we are going to calculate. Okay, right. Then later with respect to the observer, after that with respect to the observer, what is that velocity of the gas? So we want to calculate the velocity of the gas with respect to observer also we want to calculate. So this is the question. Okay, so the velocity of gas we want to find with respect to observer. அப்பப்பா இங்க நின்று பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காரு. ஓகேவா, ஜெட் போறதையும் பார்க்குறாரு, பின்னாடி அதோட கேஸ் போறதையும் பார்க்குறாரு. அப்போ இங்க இருந்து பார்க்குறவருக்கு velocity of the jet எவ்வளோ இருக்கும், then velocity of the gas எவ்வளோ, velocity of the gas எவ்வளோ இருக்கும், அதுதான் question. Very simple. Okay, I hope you understand the diagram. Observer, jet, gas. Okay, so jet speed is 500 km per hour, then not gas speed, velocity of the gas with respect to jet. இப்போ ஜெட்டில் இருந்து ஒருத்தர் பார்க்கறாங்கன்னா அவங்களுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும், 1500 km per hour. Okay, but question is what about observer? Observerக்கு இந்த gas எப்படி தெரியும்? Okay, gas. அப்ப இந்த velocity தான் கேக்குறாங்க. So this is velocity of the gas with respect to observer. Okay, so we will move the step by step. Okay, so the velocity of jet is given, that is 500 km per hour. Okay, so what about the observer feel the speed of jet? Now exactly that observer in rest position. So the jet is moving like this. Okay, now I am rest position. So I understood that actual speed is what, 500 km per hour. The same speed only will come, the same speed only absorbed by the observer. So listen, so the relative velocity of the jet with respect to the observer. So relative velocity of the jet with respect to the observer. How we can write? Velocity of the jet minus velocity of observer. Velocity of the jet is how much? That is 500 km per hour. Velocity of the observer, just he simply in rest position, just seeing, just watching. So its rest position is 0. So 500 minus 0 is 500. So velocity of the jet with respect to the observer is 500 km per hour. Clear? So now about jet, no problem. The next let's come to the gas. But in the given question, the velocity of the gas with respect to jet is given. Okay, so the relative velocity of the gas with respect to the jet, because that is given. So only I write here this table. So velocity of the gas with respect to the jet, we can write as velocity of the gas minus velocity of the jet. So this is a common formula. Here also like a common formula. Relative velocity formula. Okay, velocity of the gas with respect to the jet, we can write as velocity of the gas minus velocity of the jet. Okay, but you know, velocity of the gas with respect to the jet is given negative, that is minus 1500, because it is in opposite direction. But already you know velocity of the jet, easily we can find velocity of the jet with respect to observer. Like that, you should find velocity of the gas alone first. Okay, so velocity of the jet velocity of the gas with respect to the jet is equal to velocity of the gas minus velocity of the jet. So I need now velocity of the gas alone. So velocity of the gas alone. Therefore, velocity of the gas is equal to minus velocity of the jet moving this side become plus. Now you know the value. Therefore, velocity of the gas is equal to velocity of the gas with respect to the jet is what? Minus 1500 plus velocity of the jet plus 500. So minus 1500 plus 500, that is equal to minus 1000 km per hour. That is what? That is what? Actually velocity of the gas is what? Minus 1000 km per hour. Okay, here you know 500, the same speed only observed by the observer. Like that, the velocity of the gas is, what is it? 1000 km per hour in opposite direction. So the same thing only observed by the observer. That is the velocity of the gas with respect to the observer. The same thing only will come. That is 1000 km per hour. 1000 km per hour in opposite direction. So that is minus sign. Correct or no? Now I am the observer. It is a jet is moving this direction. The gas is moving opposite direction. So it is automatically negative sign. So that only here. So even that is also explained here. The relative velocity of the gas with respect to the observer. Relative velocity of the gas with respect to the observer. So we can write velocity of the gas minus velocity of observer. So you know already velocity of observer is what? 0. So it is 0. Then velocity of the gas in opposite direction. So minus 1000. So answer is minus 1000 km per hour. So it is easy question. So I hope you understand the relative velocity concept in this problem. Okay? Thank you.